to my colleague who has been reporting from the ground. Akash has been covering all the protests which have been taking place as far as the medical fraternity is concerned. Akash, you have been getting us pictures, you have spoken to the IMA as well. What are their concerns despite the fact that the West Bengal government has been repeatedly trying to reach out to the medical doctors, trying to tell them that, listen, the investigation is full on and the guilty will be punished? Akash, if you can hear me. Okay, Akash, if you can hear me.
Yes. Pallavi, I can hear you if you can repeat your question.
Yeah, so Akash, what I'm saying is that you have been covering the protest.
Pallavi, I could not.
Okay, you have been covering the protest despite the assurance going in from the West Bengal government that the guilty will be punished. What is it that the demands are being made by the doctors?
No, you're not clear, Pallavi, but let me tell you, I'm standing at Lady Hardinge Medical College here in the national capital, and these are the visuals. In fact, my VJ Ravinder is showing you these visuals where these doctors had a plan to march till Jantar Mantar, but they are not allowed to do so. And there you see, there you have these resident doctors protesting and raising slogans also for the justice, for the trainee doctor who was raped and killed in Kolkata, and now they are also demanding for a central act so that safety of the doctors can be ensured at the workplace. And these are the visuals. Yesterday, you must be remembering that how IMA had announced strike for 24 hours, and today we saw that how in the national capitals, OPD services in the hospitals were suspended, and now these visuals where these doctors had a plan to march till Jantar Mantar, and in fact a candle march, but they are not allowed to do so. In fact, I'll try to show you the discussion that is happening, between these Delhi police officials and also the doctors. I'll try to talk to them as well. आप लोगों का मार्च करने का प्लान था, क्या हुआ? अभी आपको अलाउ नहीं किया जा रहा है?
देखिए, हमें दिल्ली पुलिस से मतलब सुरक्षा कारणों की वजह से ये परमिशन नहीं मिला, और हमें बोला गया कि हम बस इस कैंपस के अंदर ही ये प्रोटेस्ट कर सकते हैं। तो मार्च के जगह अब हम लोग सिर्फ डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे।
Alright. If you can tell me as to sir. आप मुझे बताइए ये क्या अभी क्या हो रहा है? आप लोग जाने वाले, मार्च करने वाले? आपको तो परमिशन
नहीं, हमें परमिशन नहीं मिला है। दिल्ली पुलिस के साथ हम कोऑपरेट कर रहे हैं, हम मार्च में नहीं जा रहे हैं, हम यहीं पे पीसफुल प्रोटेस्ट करेंगे और हमारा मैसेज यहाँ से चला जाना चाहिए गवर्नमेंट में। हम लोग परमिशन के लिए कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हम दिल्ली के सिटीजन्स को कोई तरह का दिक्कत नहीं देना चाहिए।
You people had called off your strike earlier, if I'm not wrong. You had a word with the health minister. You had called off your strike. Now, if you can, summarize your demands and what you want, what kind of assurance that is there that you want from the government?
See, Pharma Doctors Association never called off the strike. Our resident doctor body did call off the strike, but later on they also joined after the assault which happened at the Kolkata hospital to the doctors who were protesting. So right now what we feel is that we have two demands. One is the Central Protection Act for healthcare workers, that government should do something about this, and we need a solid or a concrete step in this manner, and we want a fast track judgment for the Bengal incident.
Right, so these two are the main demands, Pallavi. One is a Central Protection Act for these doctors, and second one is justice for the trainee doctor who was raped and killed in Kolkata. I'll try to show you the visual. In fact, the discussion is still going on because police is clear that they cannot allow them for the march, but doctors are saying that we want to carry out this peaceful march till Jantar Mantar. We had sought the permission, and now you people are coming here and denying this. I'll try to show you the visuals of CRP officials as well, CRP personnel as well. They have been called in to control these doctors because these doctors are trying to open the gates as well. But police is clear that they won't be allowed to march from LHMC to Jantar Mantar. Pallavi.
Okay, Akash, I'm going to try and I hope you can get to hear me now. I can understand in the huge protests which are still going on. Despite the fact that the West Bengal Chief Minister has been personally trying to reach out to the medical fraternity, you think there's any chance that they are going to be placated, or do you suspect that this is something which cannot die down soon? It is likely to, be stepped up?
Pallavi, I cannot hear your question, but you are probably asking about the assurance by the, assurance by the West Bengal Chief Minister, and also the kind of, things that are coming. In fact, yesterday we had, several sort of assurances that doctors were saying that the, authorities are giving. That, in fact, we know that how FODA had a meeting with the health minister and, assurances were given. But doctors are clear that they want some sort of immediate solution, some sort of ordinance that was passed during COVID days that can be implemented as of now to ensure that doctors are safe. Also, let me tell you that IMA had announced a 24-hour strike. But they are saying that they are not going to continue the strike. But yes, they will try to put pressure on the MP so that something can be done to ensure the safety of these doctors at the workplace.
All right. I'm just going to come back to you in a bit, Akash. I can understand where he's reporting from, but we also can listen in to what the father of the victim had to say. Let's listen in to him.
जो रास्ते में जितना आदमी है वो मेरा लड़का लड़की समान है। हमको लगता है वो मेरा लड़का लड़की बन गया। अभी हमारा एक लड़की चला गया, इतना करोड़ लड़का लड़की मेरा साथ आ गया। यही मैं इसको, उसने मेरा हिम्मत बहुत बढ़ा दिया। हमको इसलिए लगता है कुछ ना कुछ मिलेगा हमको।
सर, कभी आपकी बेटी ने ये कहा, शिकायत की कि कॉलेज में उन्हें कोई दिक्कत
थोड़ा
है?
उसका दिक्कत था कॉलेज में, पूरा डिपार्टमेंट, इसलिए डिपार्टमेंट को हम बोला है, डिपार्टमेंट पूरा सस्पेक्ट में है।
Heavy police deployment continues outside RJ Kar Medical College and Hospital. Inside, the Central Bureau of Investigation team has also come in for the nth time this afternoon. They have come and gone to the scene of crime. Scientific testing and scientific evidence gathering process is being carried out. While here, the doctors are sitting in protest. Their stage was completely vandalized on the midnight of 14th and 15th of August. But they are back here demanding justice for the victim, who's now being given a name, Abhaya. What these doctors are screaming is that they want justice, and they are saying that till the time there is no security given to the doctors, they will not come back on duty. No service, no safety, no duty is one of the posters being carried here. In the meanwhile, a fresh controversy has erupted. Bharatiya Janata Party has alleged that some of these protesting doctors have been transferred because of their role in this protest. Now, the doctors here say that it is correct that some transfers have happened. At least one doctor is a professor at RJ Kar itself, but the doctors say that they are unsure whether the transfer is directly connected to their support to the protester, or is it a routine transfer. In the interim, they are demanding the Central Bureau of Investigation to come clean on what their probe has shown in the last 4 days. This, even as RJ Kar's principal, Sandeep Ghosh, is being questioned by CBI for the second day in a row. There's a lot of anger against him amongst the medical fraternity here at the Medical College Hospital.
Hey, thank you for watching this on CNBC TV 18. Hope you liked it. For more such interesting news and updates, follow CNBC TV 18 on all the social media platforms.